The heck?
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor.
Oh, it's for the wind.
Because
it's that windy.
Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City.
Why is this saying 3 miles an hour?
15 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a front was located along the line extending from near Joliet to 9 nautical
It's not moving right now?
I don't know. Maybe. Oh, you know what? It's where it's coming from. The house is blocking it.
No, there's no way because it's spinning fast.
Yeah, it's going up now.
Significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The front will be near Indiana Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and Burns Harbor around 6:25 p.m. Hamlet Marina around 6:30 p.m. Calumet Harbor around 6:35 p.m.
Yeah, I know.
Jackson Park Harbor and 59th Street Marina around
Oh,
6:40 p.m.
another dust storm warning.
31st Street
Nice.
Harbor and Burnham Harbor around 6:45 p.m. County Fairgrounds, Deuceville Harbor and Monroe Harbor around dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. Iawx Harbor and Harrison Beaver around 6:55 p.m.
Yes!
Warning for southeastern Dekalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Solomon, Illinois to near Dyer, is moving north at 45 miles per hour.
Moving straight north.
Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, emergency management. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 294. Interstate 88 between mile markers 96 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 103. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12 and between mile markers 15 and 30. Locations impacted include West Town, Glendale Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Berkeley, Summit, Austin, West Garfield Park, Lyle, near North Side, Aurora, Northlake, Stickney, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Westmont.
Some of these radios are so old they don't even have it. Like this one and this one.
Gilbert's, South Shore, Armour Square, and Wayne. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Winchester Field, St. Vic Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Aurora University, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, Family Lab, Harper College.
They cut it off, it's too long.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a dust storm warning for Campbell County in northeastern Illinois,
Big B?
Wausau County in north
That
central
big.
Illinois,
Jeez.
northwestern Will County
That was
in northeastern
big
Illinois,
B.
southern Dekalb County in north central Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, north Porter County in northwestern Indiana.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't even recognize half these.
Northwestern Indiana until 8 p.m. At 5:58 p.m.
I'm keeping that one on.